I welcome you all to this very interesting topic, that is Introduction to Map of Class 11. Now, before starting this particular topic, you might have seen a map. Like we have various maps. We have the world map, we have political maps, we have physical maps. So, before beginning, let's see what a map is. First, a map, it is a selective, symbolized and generalized representation of the whole or a part of the earth at a reduced scale. So a map, we can say that it is a selected, a particular scale is selected, a particular part of the earth is selected and symbolized. We show the various parts of the earth, like for example, we have to show the mountains, we show it by various colors, symbols, etc. And then generalized representative. A general part or a general particular element is shown on the map. And one more important element of the map is that it is it has a scale. If a map does not have a scale, it is a sketch. Now let's see what a scale is. Scale, it is the map distance by ground distance. For example, we have a ground distance of 200 kilometers, right? So we cannot show 200 kilometers on a sheet of paper. It is out of the imagination that will have a paper or a sketchbook or anything else which is on which we can show 200 kilometers. So in that case, what we do, we reduce the length. We reduce it to, for example, 1 centimeter. If we have 400 kilometers on the Earth's surface, we reduce it to 2 centimeters. Then it becomes easy for us to show it on the map, right? So we can say that, for example, we have a 1 centimeter is to 200 kilometer on the ground. Right? So this was all about map and scale. Now coming to the essential of maps. What does this mean? We have the various elements through which we draw the map and we show the various signs, symbols, generalizations on a map. So first of all, we have the scale. Scale, I told you what it is. And we can say that it differentiates a map from a sketch. And then we have the map projection. The second important element is the map projection. Now what is it? It is the transforming spherical object into two-dimensional flat surface. Earth, what is it? It is three-dimensional surface, and when we have to draw the various latitudes and longitudes on a paper, what we do, we transform this particular three-dimensional earth surface into two-dimensional earth surface. That is a map projection. Like you might have seen the world map, isn't it? So it is like an open page, isn't it? Although earth is round, but what we do, we cut like in between and then we spread it, and then it's like a world map on a paper, right? After this we have the map generalization. Now what is a map generalization? It shows certain objectives. For example, if we have to depict the various mountains, the various rivers, roads, like so many objectives on a map, what we do, that comes under map generalization. It shows the various objectives which we have to depict on the map. Yes. Then we have map designing. Map designing, it means arrangement of the elements. It is shown by the various symbols, by shapes and forms. Isn't it? So for example, we have to show the population of a place. We show it by the dot method. That comes under symbol method. Right? So that is the map dividing, map designing. In this, we make the arrangements of various elements. Then we have the map construction and production. What is that? Simply making of maps with a pen or a paper. Like one important term is there, cartography, right? The art of map making is cartography, and the person who makes the map is a cartographer. So what used to happen, like before, sometime before, we used to make the maps with hand on a sheet of paper. But with the advancement of the technology, nowadays what is happening, we are using the various softwares. For example, we have the AutoCAD, right? Through them, we are able to make the map in better way, in a faster mode, and the maps which get, they are more perfect. Right? So this was map construction and production. So now what we did today, in this class we read about the introduction, right? We read about the maps, the scale, and lastly about the elements of map making. This was for all today. Thank you.